Today, we're going to use Photoshop to bring those old, dark photos back to life. First, open your dark photo in Photoshop. This is where the magic begins. Start by navigating to the Image tab in the top toolbar, then select Adjustments. You have several adjustment options here. Let's begin with Exposure. Click on it. The Exposure panel appears, and you'll see several sliders. Use the Exposure slider to brighten the image. Watch as you adjust it to avoid overexposure. Fine-tune the Offset slider to control how shadows are affected. Now let's take it a step further. Head back to the Image menu, then select Adjustments, and this time choose Curves. In the Curves panel, you'll see a diagonal line. Dragging this line up brightens the image. Fine-tune the curve to carefully balance the light and dark elements, enhancing the photo's overall quality. Let's explore levels. Go to Image greater than Adjustments and click Levels. The Levels panel gives us 3 sliders we can play with. Use these to brighten and improve the shadows and highlights to bring your image to life. Compare the before and after. See how we've revealed hidden details, fixed the lighting, and significantly enhanced the clarity. Remember that success comes from practice. Experiment with these tools to find the best settings for your photos. Photoshop provides unlimited creative control. Don't forget to like and subscribe.